Hey guys, very good evening to all of you once again. Welcome back to the sessions. Hi and how are you all? कैसे हो तुम लोग? जल्दी बता दो मेरे को. And how's life going on? How is your preparations going on for your 10th board examinations and for this IMO? So I am again in front of all of you with this series of IMO where I am going to discuss every session 10 questions, and using this 10 questions you will get an idea that which type of question you can expect in IMO and how to solve them in a faster method. So with this objective I have come here with this IMO session. This IMO session is going to be with you for every Tuesday and Thursday, every week twice, Tuesday and Thursday, and every session I am going to discuss altogether 10 questions where I'll be showing you how to solve them in a faster method. Okay, so as we did in the last session that we had a target of solving all 10 questions within 10 to 12 minutes. So like this, that in this today's session also we are going to have that same enthusiasm, that same speed, that we will be trying to do it within 10 minutes, roughly 10 to 12 minutes. So I'll be just taking very fastly the last session's comments, because many students did lot of comments and I'm really happy and thankful to them that they did so many comments. So I'll just take their comments. Just give me a moment. I'll just take their name, not the whole comment if. So Anjali is there, Shubham is there, Aditya, Ram K, Rajraj Singh, and then Rudranath Pandey, Raj Daryani, Sudhir Kumar, Sachin Kumar, Anjali Agarwal, and Rachit Goyal, and Kali Charan Sahu, Raj Daryani, and all these students. So thanks a lot for your comments, guys. I'll be responding to your comments very soon. In fact, I have responded. So just keep on commenting whatever you wish for. If you want to communicate with me, you can get in touch with me over the Telegram group also. The session PDF of this, whatever I'm discussing right now, you'll get it in the description box. And the best method to get in touch with me, if you want to ask me anything or if you want to suggest me anything or anything like that, you can just put it down in the comment box. I'll be replying to that. Okay, so let's start without wasting any much time. Here is the first question for the IMO first. Now, in this question, what it is saying, the question is saying, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are this, this, and this. So I guess you all must be knowing that area of triangle, we know using the formula half into, we used to write x1, x2, and x3. In x1, we used to write y2 minus y3, plus in x2, we write y3 minus y1, and plus in x3, we write y1 minus y2, and this is under mod. I guess you all remember that formula. In case if you don't remember, so I'll just tell you the method to remember. So here 1, 2, 3. By the way, we don't have to spend that much time, isn't it? We have to do fast. So just one theory last. If you are at 1, do 2 minus 3, 1, 2 minus 3. If you are at 2, do 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. And if you are at 3, x3, do 1 minus 2, y1 minus 2. Okay? So let's apply that formula. I'm just applying area equals to half into x1. If I talk about x1, it's minus 3 by 2. In bracket, y2 minus y3. So that is minus 2 minus 4. Talk about x2. x2 is 6. So plus 6. y3 minus y1. So that is 4 minus 3. And plus. It's not plus because x3 is minus 3. So here I'll write minus 3 and then y1 minus y2. So that is 3. Minus of minus 2 will give me plus. It is plus. Now let's calculate it with super fast speed. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Minus 6 minus 3. 18 by 2 9. 4 minus 3 1. So 6. And 3 plus 2 5. 5 minus 3 minus 15. So 9 plus 6, 15 minus 15 is 0, and hence your answer is 0. That this is a 0 square unit, means these 3 points are collinear points, isn't it? So we got the answer. Moving on to the another question without wasting any much time, because we have to do it within 10 minutes. Next question. What must be added to that polynomial this so that the resulting polynomial is exactly divisible by this? Okay, let's see. I don't know what must be added, but I would figure it out that what must be added. So I'll just take for consideration that k must be added. Assuming k, that k must be added in this. So I'll do the division and that too with a fast method. So I'll teach you that also. So here x square plus 2x minus 3 should divide completely this polynomial. x4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus x minus 1 plus k plus x minus 1 plus k. Now this has to be divisible. See, it has been asked what must be added. I don't know what must be added, so I added k. That k must be added, and in the end we'll find the value of k. How to do that? Now it should be divisible. So if we have to divide it, I'll just divide it in one go. So if I divide it in one go, the first term should be surely x square. I'm writing it here, x square. Now the last term, okay, so last term would not be able to be written. Not an issue, so we'll have to divide it here with a long division. So let's do that. X square, so it will be x4 2x cube and x4 2x cube and minus 3x square. Sorry, this is x square minus 3x square. Changing the sign, minus minus plus, cancelling, and minus 2 plus 3 is x square, and then plus x minus 1 and plus k. So we got it very easily. Now it will be 1 only because x square and x square. So I'm just doing it plus 1. Plus 1 into x square plus 2x minus 3. X square plus 2x minus 3. Changing the sign, minus minus plus, cancelling. X minus 2x. So I'm just writing the remainder here. So remainder will be x minus 2x is minus x. Please pay attention. Minus 1 plus 3. I guess you are getting minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. And then here this k will be as it is. So plus k. Now what I have got? I have got this remainder. But the question is saying that it should be exactly divisible. Exactly divisible means what? Remainder should be 0. So just make it 0. If you make it 0, what you will get about k? K is sending it to that side, x minus 2. And hence we have that answer, x minus 2. I hope you all would have understood, isn't it? You can do this that much fast, okay? There is no such lengthy thing. It was just looking lengthy, but once you do it, I guess we have been able to do this within 2 minutes. 1.5 minutes, I guess, isn't it? So let's move on to the next question. Here is the next one. In this question it says, in the given figure not drawn to scale, AB and CD, two diameters of circle, okay, with center O perpendicular to each other, and OC is the diameter of the smaller circle. OC is equals to 10, okay. So OC is given 10. So I'll take this center. So radius for this particular part, radius is 5. Fine. Then what? And if OC is 10, then very surely you would be able to see that this is the center of the bigger circle, and hence capital radius, thus radius OD will be equal to 10, isn't it? Because OC is 10, so OD will also be 10. Fine, we got this. Now we have to find the shaded region. Okay, so let's find the shaded region. But before finding that shaded region, we know the total circle area, that is pi r square. So big circle, I'm writing big circle area, it is 100 pi, isn't it? Pi r square. Small circle radius, in that small circle radius I am writing pi r square, so that is 25 pi. That is fine. Now, but from the bigger circle we don't have to minus only this circle, we have to minus this triangle also. So how to subtract this triangle? Because for subtracting this triangle we actually need the measurement of this triangle. So let me tell you, here the thing is this, that this is a radius and this line is a tangent. So if this is a radius and this line is a tangent 90 degree, then surely this is also 90 degree. So if this is 90 degree, OD is a perpendicular to AB. OD is a perpendicular to AB. So if it is a perpendicular, do we know the value of OD? Yes, we know it is 10. Do we know the value of AB? I will say yes, because radius is 10, then surely AB will be 20 diameter. So if we know this 20 and 10, what we can do? Very simply we can get the answer. How? Area of triangle we all know, half into base into height, and hence we get 100. So for the final answer, what I need to do, from the big circle I have to subtract the small circle and the triangle. So I am writing the answer. Answer is 100 pi. Answer is 100 pi minus 25 pi and minus 100. This triangle and this is smaller circle. So 100 minus 25 pi, I guess you all understand, it is nothing but 75 pi. 75 pi. So what is the value of pi? It is 3.14 minus 100. So even if I don't calculate, I don't want to get into this mess of calculating it, but I'm able to calculate 75 into 3. And if I'm not wrong, 75 into 3 will be something around 225, isn't it? So 225 minus 100, 125. And in fact, it should be more than that, because 75 will be multiplied with 14 also, it will also give some value. So if I'm not wrong, 225, 230, something around. 225 minus 100. So 125, 130 around something. So we have very close answers. So here we can't take chances, so we'll have to multiply. So let's multiply. So if I'm not wrong, 75, 14, 25, 70, 0, 7 और 8, 28, 98 and 98 and 105, 10. So if I'm not wrong, this is 10. ठीक है, तो 0.10, हाँ ठीक है, तो this is 10. So 225, so you can write 235.5 something around and minus 100. So it will be 135 something around, 135.5. Yes, C is the answer. C will be the answer. Okay, so here, yes, you need some calculation skills also, so that you can do the calculation fast. Okay, I hope you all got it. Now let me tell you, this particular question is a very famous question. Actually, you can see this question in R.D. Sharma and other books, and there they have actually used a complete proof. So let me tell you, if this question comes in your board examination or somewhere, although it will not come, so you need to do the proof also, because here I have assumed many things which is not given. Say for example, this CD is a straight line. I also know that it is looking also, but it is not given in this whole question. So while you are proving for the board's examination, you'll have to do that. But here in the competition, we can take that into consideration, because we have to get the answer, and we got the right answer, isn't it? Let's move on to the next question. So here is the next question for all of you. This is the next question. This next question is again a very beautiful question, let me tell you, and as tough it is looking, as easy as it is. Okay, so let's see how to do this. Something is given. Let's see how to do that. So this something, I don't know what is the answer, and I'm not even interested in solving, because it will take some time. Okay, so I am interested in doing an hit and trial. That would be the easiest. So first of all, x is either 1 or 0. One thing is very clear. So why not put 0? Because that is the easiest thing. So if I put 0, it will be minus a upon minus b, and here it will be minus b upon minus a. That is roughly, if I say, it will be a by b, because minus minus cancelled, a by b plus b by a. So a by b plus b by a, is it satisfying? Yes, it is satisfying. So hence one thing is very clear, that answer is not 1, answer is 0. One thing is clear. Now 0 is there. Now we have to check on a plus b and a minus b. So why not check with a plus b? Easier one. So I'll just put it here, a plus b. So a plus b minus a divided by a plus b minus b. So I guess you have got the idea. A and a will be cancelled, b and b will be cancelled. I'll get here b by a. So in the same fashion, if I get here b by a, here b will be cancelled, and here I'll get a by b. So what I got, b by a plus a by b. So is it satisfying? Yes, it is satisfying. By hit and trial, we got that b is the answer, and no need to get into the morality of the question that we have to solve it, we should solve it, or let's check, or let's try. Nothing like that. You have to just get the marks. So be rude, be shrewd, and just get the marks. Okay. So I hope you all would have understood. Let's move on to the next question. The next question says this: which of the following is true? Y is equals to mx represents a line passing through the origin. Even if I don't know, say for example, this is right answer, but say for example, even if I don't know, or if you don't know, what we can do? It passes through the origin. Origin will pass, that line only will pass from origin which satisfies 0, 0. So does it satisfy 0, 0? If I put x equals to 0 and y equals to 0, is it satisfying? So I will say yes. Just put x equals to 0. Y equals to m into 0, you will get y also 0. So hence x equals to 0, y equals to 0 is satisfying. So A is the right option. So which of the following is true? Needless to means read even other statements. First statement is itself true. Did you all get it? This exam is actually this much easy. You have to just think like that. Don't think like a mediocre or an average student that read out the all statements, solve it, double check it. No, not required. This is competition. You have to be very, very competitive. You have to just save your time each and every second. Okay, so let's move on. This is the next question which says something. Let's see. The sum of an AP whose first term is A and second term is B and the last term is C is equal to sum of an AP whose first term is A, second term is B, and last term is C. Okay, I don't know, is equal to what? That's a good question. Looks like. So looking very complicated, and I don't want to solve it, so I'll just apply some trick. First term is A. I'm assuming this first term as A, 1, sorry. Second term is B, so let me assume the second term as 3. B is 3. And last term is C, so let me assume this last term as 9. I'm just taking random values. You can take anything on your own. If you want to take 1, 2, 3, just take 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I'm getting some feeling that probably 1, 3, 9 might be also like good. Let's see, I don't know. So 1, 3, 9, if I have this 1, 3, 9, which type of AP will I get? I will get 1, 3, because there is a common difference, first term and second term, so there is a common difference of 2. So I will get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is an AP, 5 terms, okay. So I got it pretty easily. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, if I will add them, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9, 9, 18, 18 and 7, 25. Sum is 25. So I have to just put value 1, 3, 9 in place of A, B, C in all the options, and I have to see that where I am getting 25. So I will just do it in my mind. For getting 25, it is very much required. It has to be a multiple of 5. Let's see. 1 plus C. This is 10, and this is 3, 9, 3, 9, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. So this is also 10. 10, 10, 100, 2. B minus A. B minus A, if I am not wrong, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 2s are 4. It is coming actually equal to 25. So we got the answer in the first go only. In the first go only we got the answer. Needless to say anything, isn't it? If you want to double check it, although I would never recommend you to double check it in the time of competition, no, don't do that. But still, if you want, for your clarity as of now, since we are right now in the class, you can do it here. A minus C surely a negative number, so cancelled. A plus C again same. B minus C. B minus C will be again a negative number because B is 3, C is 9. 3 minus 9 a negative number, plus 2 will also not make it positive. So cancel, cancel. Hence we get the answer A. Okay, let's move on to the another question. Rather, I would suggest you to please check on with 1, 2, 3 also. 1, this is 2 and this is 3. I guess that probably you should get answer like that also. Okay, otherwise if you don't get it, follow this one. Moving on to the next question. Here is the next one. Yeah, trick pasand aa raha hai ki nahi, isn't it? Chalo aage badhte hain. Length of a line segment is 10 units. If one end is at 2, minus 3 and the abscissa of the second is 10, then its ordinate is. Abscissa, I guess you all know. Okay. I guess you all know abscissa is nothing but the x coordinate. And we have been asked to find ordinate, that is y coordinate. Okay, fine, cool. So the question is saying length is 10. So apply distance formula. So we know x1 minus x2. So I will do 10 minus 2 whole square. And then y we have to find. So y minus of minus 3. So that is y plus 3 whole square. This whole square under root. This will be under root equals to 10. So y to do under root. I'm just removing this under root so that we can do the square both side. Removing the under root. 10 minus 2 is 8 square equals to y plus 3 plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 10 square. I guess you all are understanding that this is a Pythagoras theorem, and here it should come 6 square because 8 square plus 6 square is equals to 10 square, isn't it? So y plus 3 should be 6, or minus 6 is also possible because squaring a negative number does not affect the nature of square. So you can put it here minus 6 whole square or plus 6 whole square. So if you have y plus 3 equals to 6, y can be 3, or y plus 3 equals to minus 6, y can be minus 9. Hence, minus 3 and minus 9 both answer are correct, both A and C. Are you all getting it so fast? I'm doing it fast just to make you feel that these questions can be made fast, these questions can be solved fast, and in fact you have to solve fast. Okay, so let's move on to the another question. Please keep on writing this in the live chat because right now I might not be able to see the chat. But yes, after the session, I'll go through the chats once again that are you all enjoying, understanding, getting something new out of this or not? Okay, please let me know. So next question is this: if two positive integers m and n are expressible in the form m equals to p q cube, n equals to p cube q square, where p and q are prime numbers, HCF of m and n. Okay, very cool, very easy. So m is p q cube, n is p cube and q square. So HCF simply means highest common factor. Common factor. So p and p cube, what is common? P. Q cube and q square, what is common? Q square. Simple answer, p q square. B is the answer. So easy, so easy. In fact, they also give some easy questions, isn't it? Moving on, here's the next question. Triangle ABC is right angled at C and DE is perpendicular to AB. Okay. Find the length of AE and DE. AE and DE. Okay. Okay. So I will not apply Pythagoras theorem if you are thinking. So I will surely not apply Pythagoras because Pythagoras is a very lengthy method. Rather, I would write only one thing here. Please pay attention. I want to write triangle AED. A 90D, similar to triangle ACB. A and A are common, angle E and angle C 90 degree, so two angles equal, angle similarity. So I have written them similar. Now once they are similar, I can write the side ratios. AE by AC equals to ED by CB is equal to AD by AB. Once I have written them, AE and EC. What is the value of AE? AE I do not know. Let it be AE only. AC. AC I know. 3 plus 2, 5 equals to ED. ED I do not know. So let's leave it. ED I do not know. Do I know AD? Yeah, AD I know. Last wala. Dekho, AD. AD is 3 divided by AB. Do I know AB? AB I will know because this is 12 and this complete is 5. So I will apply Pythagoras theorem. 12 and 5 will give me this value as 13. Pythagoras theorem. So AB is known to us now 13. If I do the cross multiplication, I will get AE is equals to 15 by 13. First thing. Now, once I have got this 15 by 13, so in the same fashion, I can do it for ED by CB also. Let me do it here. ED, I do not know, divided by CB. CB I know 12 equals to AD, again 3 divided by AB is again 13. Cross multiply, so you will get AD equals to, but the ED equals to 36 by 13. 36 by 13, 15 by 13, 15 by 13, 36 by 13. That is the answer. Samajh mein aaya? Did you all understand it? How easily we can solve such clumsy, big looking questions and such hard looking questions. Okay, in fact we can solve it very easily, believe me. Cool. I hope you all understood that, and if you understood, let's move ahead. Here is the next question for all of you. Padho jaldi. Triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. Achhi baat. If the sides of the triangles are 13, 14, 15 and the parallelogram stands on a base of 14, find the height of the parallelogram. Very easy yaar. बहुत ही आसान है. मतलब बहुत ही आसान. Although, if let me tell you, it is not that easy if you are not able to think. But if you are able to think like a child, it is very easy. Let me show you why. How? एक parallelogram बना लेते हैं. So this is a parallelogram. Now if this is a parallelogram, on the base of a parallelogram there is a triangle also. There is a triangle also. So let me name it A, B, C, D, and here is P. Now read the question again. Triangle and parallelogram have same base. Okay, fine. So same base, and that base is 14 centimeter. So now the question is saying that if the sides of the triangle are 13, 14, 15, means this is 14, another side is 13, this is 15. So 13, 14, 15. Find the height of parallelogram. So one thing is very clear, please pay attention, that the question is saying triangle and parallelogram have the same base and same area. Their area is same. So I guess you all can find the area of triangle using herons. Just find it, and I guess you can find it very fastly. Area of triangle I'm writing root under S. Root under S. So S is semi-perimeter. I'll just take that semi-perimeter here. S is 13, 14, 15. So 13, 14, 27, 27, 32, 42, 42 by 2. 21 I guess. I guess मैंने सही किया है. 3, 5, 3, 8, 4, 12. हाँ. For 21, S into S minus A. 21 minus 15. 21 minus 13. 21 minus 14. 21 minus 14. देखो इसको सॉल्व कर देना हूँ एक बार में. 21 can be written as 3 into 7 into 15 और 6, so 3 into 2 into 21 minus 13, so 8, so 4 into 2 into 21 minus 14, so that is 7. देखो सारे pairs, just take out all the pairs. 3 is in pair, so I'm just writing it here. 3 comes out, 3 is in pair, comes out, 7 is in pair, comes out, 2 is in pair, comes out, and 4 is a perfect square, so becomes 2. आ गया सारा वैल्यू. 7, 7, 21, 21 और 4, 21, 4, 84. 84 is the answer. So I'm just writing it down here. Area of triangle 84. और यही 84 is the area of parallelogram also. Now area of parallelogram you all know, that is base into height. What is base? Base is given there 14. So 14, height has been asked. 84. So height is 84 by 14. 84 by 14. Find the height of the parallelogram. ये कैसे हो गया? कुछ तो आ रहा है क्या? 6. अच्छा हाँ 6 बार में आ रहा है. 6 चौको 24, 6. So height is 6 centimeter. I guess you all got that, isn't it? 84 by 14. Easy था कि नहीं? So just you have to do थोड़ा सा fast calculation, थोड़ा सा दिमाग, थोड़ा सा trick. सब कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा मिलाओगे तो it will be a very splendid dish. Awesome, splendid, awesome mixture of all the delicacies, and you will win. Chalo, if you all understood that, so that was all, and we completed this. I guess थोड़ा सा 20 minutes लगा होगा probably today, but I was explaining you all. So I'm pretty sure that if you will try to do it in just 10 minutes, that is also possible. 10 questions, 10 minutes. Not even if in 10 minutes, then probably not above than 15 minutes. So here I was explaining you. Otherwise, it was very much possible to make it below 15 minutes. So you can do that. So guys, that was all for today's session. I'll be again seeing you all again on Tuesday. So wait till then. I am also very eager to see you guys again on Tuesday. So I'll be there again with 10 questions dealing for IMO and making sure that yes, you qualify this exam. So with this, it's time to say a very goodbye. Myself, Harsh Priyam, signing off at this section, saying you all a very goodbye and a very good night. See you guys in another session. Till then, bye-bye, take care and good night. Bye.